Okay, in this workout, we're gonna focus on the floor. If you want an hour-long workout, you can do the standing and then the floor section, or you can do each of them individually for just a 30-minute workout. Okay. So we're just gonna start sitting on the floor with, my assistant is gonna come help me here. We may have to fix this situation. So we're gonna start with the right leg over the left. Go lay down. Go lay down. All right, let's fix this. Come on, you have to go in the house. Stay. Okay, he loves floor workouts. So, right leg over the left. Okay, go lay down. Starting with your wrists over your knees. Just gonna reach forward as long as we can out of the top of the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're gonna press the belly button to spine, coming all the way back. 5, 6, up and over. 7, 8. We'll do that 4 times. Ready? Reaching forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it back. 5, 6, up. 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4. Take it back. Really feel yourself to the back of the sit bones. 5, 6, up and over. 7, 8, and 3, 2, 3, 4. Take it back. Feel belly button to spine. 6, 7, and 8, and 4, 2, 3, 4. Take it back. 5, 6, up and over. 7, 8. Right side. So get those hips kind of swiveled to you over your right leg. Back starts straight, and we're going to reach long. 1, 2, 3, 4. Contract back. 5, 6, up and over. 7, 8. Shoulders are square over the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 5, 6, up. 7, 8, and 3, 2, 3, 4. Back. 5, 6, up. 7, 8, and 4, 2, 3, 4. Back. 5, 6. Come to the center. 7, 8. Good. Hips swivel to the left leg. Reaching long. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it back. 5, 6, up. 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4. Back. 5, 6, up. 7, 8, and 3, 2, 3, 4. Back. 5, 6, up. 7. Don't ever stop. Keep the movement continuous. 2, 3, 4. Back. 5, 6 to center. 7. Arms wide. Just take a tilt in the torso. No weight on your left arm here, and then finish over the top to take that lateral stretch. Right, but the lateral stretch should be in your torso, not your arms doing the action. So we're going to bring the torso back up to center. Feel the torso shift, and then take the arm over the top. Torso comes back up. Good. We're going to take it again to the right. This time we're going to take little pulses. 1, nice and gentle. 2, 3, your left hip is anchored to the floor. 4, 5, 6, that shoulder is down. 7, and 8. Left side, torso does the tilting, arm comes over the top, and little pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We'll take side to side. 1, center. 2, up. 3, and 4, and 2, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 2, 3. Now we're going to circle the arm. So the arm comes all the way around, brushes the floor, and you come back up to sitting straight. 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 3 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Here's the second set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your lateral, fold in to the right leg, walk it across, right arm follows, and you come up through center. Let's reverse that to the lateral, fold into your left leg, take it across, and up again. 1, fold into, take it around 3, up 4, reverse it. 1, fold into, take it around 3, up 4. Great. Let's take soles of the feet together. We're just going to turn sideways on your mat. Put a nice open diamond in the negative space of your legs. Don't pull it in too tight. I want you to be able to really move your pelvis on the floor. So we're just going to hang forward for a minute. Let your neck release, shoulders are released. Big breath in. You're just going to pulse here for 16 counts, nice and easy. You want to feel yourself rocking gently from the front to the back of your sit bones. So we're rocking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we'll take big ones. So we're going to go front all the way to the back. Here we go. 1, and back, and 2, and back, and 3, and back, and 4, and back, and 5, and back, and 6. Feel this all flattening and hollowing out here. 7, and back, 8, and back. Good. Take the legs long. Let's just hang forward. Drop your head. Go ahead and point your feet in this position right now. Good. Coming up. Just take a flexion. You want to keep your heels placed right where they are on the floor. You're going to flex your feet, flex your knees, and flex in your hip sockets. Back is straight. So hands are to the side. We're going to point everything and scoop. And as we come up over our head, everything flexes. And then the arms drop. So we scoop and come up. Scoop. Here we go. 8 times. 1. And up. And 2. And up. And 3, and up, and 4, up, and 5, up, and 6, up, and 7, up, and 8. Good, now we're going to reverse it. So we go over, arms up over your head, over, here we go, 8 times. 1, and up, and 2, up, and 3, up, and 4, up, and 5, up, and 6, up, and 7, up, and 8, up. Good. Cross your right leg over your left and just hang forward. Good. Change legs, left ankle over the right, and hang forward. Good. Both feet on the floor. Let's go all the way down on your back. Hopefully you can still see me. Okay. We're going to take walking 1 and down, 2, down. Here comes my assistant again, 3, down. Ready? 8 times with the knee bent. And then we're going to do it with 8 sit-ups. And then we're going to do it 8 times with the knee straight and 8 sit-ups with that. Okay, so starting with your right leg, walking, knee bent. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Add a sit up with it. Here we go. Up 1 and down. 2, down, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Straight knee. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Add a sit up. Opposite elbow to knee. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Hug your right knee in. Let it fall long to the floor. Take it up. Little pulse. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fold it into your chest and take it back down to the floor. Left knee, hug it in. Just hold it. Leg goes long. Take it up to the ceiling. Hold it. Nice, easy pulses of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hug it into your chest. And drop it to the floor. Back to the right side. Hug it in. Drop it long to the floor. Take it up to the ceiling. Little pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hug it in. Take it back to the floor. Last time, left side. Hug it in. Drop it long to the floor. Take it up. Little pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hug it in. Good. Both feet back down on the mat. Cross your right knee over your left, nice and tight so that the knees are touching, and fall to the right side. Look to your left. I'm not sure if you can see me at all. Hopefully you can. Leave your knees just the way they are and fall to your left, look to your right. Good, come back to center. Change legs, cross your left knee over your right knee. Fall to your left and look to your right. Lower back presses into the floor as you come back to center. Fall to your right, look to your left. Doggy stretching. Good, come back to the center. This time you're gonna cross your right ankle over your left knee. So your right knee falls open, right hand goes through the negative space of your legs, and you pull your left leg up to your chest. If you want a little bit more, you can gently rock back and forth. Good, change sides. Left ankle over the right knee, left hand goes through the legs. Pull your right knee up to your chest. Nice and easy rock back and forth. Good, hug both knees into your chest. Feel your back widen on the floor. Take a big breath in, and as you exhale, feel your back expanding and connecting to the floor. Good, both feet on the floor. Just do a little bit of ab work. We're just gonna roll up. 1, 2, sitting up. 3, 4, rolling back down. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Here we go. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 2, 2, 3, 4, down. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 3, 2, 3, 4, down. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 4, 2, 3, 4, down. 5, 6, 7, 4 more. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, down. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, down. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 3, 2, 3, 4, down. 5, 6, 7, 8, and last 1, 2, 3, 4, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Roll over onto your stomach and let's arch up. You can either arch from your forearms or you can press all the way up. We're going to go back down. Just grab your right foot and let's take a quad stretch. Again, you might not be able to see me all the way, but I'm just stretching my right quad. And change legs. Let's take the left foot up, grab it, stretch the left side. Try to breathe into your lower back, let it release. Good, one more time, back to the right foot. And the left side. Try to feel your quad releasing. Just roll onto your side and face me. So I want you on your left side. Okay, should be lying all the way down. We're going to take your top leg. Left leg's going to go back, as your right arm comes forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to take your toe to your knee for 4 counts, hug it into your chest for 4 counts, extend for 4 counts, and lower for 4 counts. Are you ready? Here we go. Taking it back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toe to your knee. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hug it in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lower it. 1, 2, 3. Do that again. Take it back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toe to your knee. 2, 3, 4. Hug it in. 2, 3, 4. Extend it up. 2, 3, 4. Lower it. 1, 2, 3. 2 more times. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toe to knee. 2, 3, 4. Hug it in. 2, 3, 4. Extend it up. 2, 3, 4. Lower. 1, 2, 3. Last one. All 1, 2, 3, 4. Toe to knee. 2, 3, 4. Hug it in. 2, 3, 4. Extend it up. 2, 3, 4. And lower. 2, 3, 4. Good. We're going to flip to the other side. Same thing with the other leg. Okay, ready? Here we go. Leg goes back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toe to the knee. 2, 3, 4. Hug it in. 2, 3, 4. Extend it up. 2, 3, 4. Lower it. 1, 2, 3. Again. Back. 1, 2, 3. Arm reaches forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hug it in. 2, 3, 4. Extend it up. 2, 3, 4. Lower it. 1, 2, 3. 2 more times. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toe to the knee. 2, 3, 4. Hug it in. 2, 3, 4. Take it up. 2, 3, 4. Lower it. 1, 2, 3. Last time. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toe to knee. 2, 3, 4. Hug it in. 2, 3, 4. Extend it up. 2, 3, 4. Lower it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. Let's come up to legs wide. Good. We're going to take the same thing we took with our legs crossed. Just check yourself. Make sure that your knees and the tops of your feet are up to the ceiling. We're going to point your feet, reaching long out the top of your head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to take it back to that contracted position. 5, 6. Head is released. So you're kind of in a curve. Up and over. 7, 8. But it's continuous. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it back. 5, 6. Up and over. 7, 8. And 2, 2, 3, 4. Back. 5, 6. Up. 7, 8. And 3, 2, 3, 4. Back. 5, 6. Up. 7, 8. And 4, 2, 3, 4. Back. 5, 6, 7. Bring the legs in a little bit. Swivel your hips to the right leg. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it back. 5, 6. Up. 7, 8. And 2, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7. You really want to keep it continuous so it's always moving. 3, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, up, 7, 8, and 4, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, come to center, 7, left side, 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, up, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, up, 7, 8, and 3, 2, 3, back 5, 6, up, 7, 8, last 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, come to center, arms wide. Take that tip in the torso, stretch over the top, little pulses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to center, other side, 1, 2, little pulses, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to center. Let's go side to side. 1, center, 2, 3, and 4, and 2, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 2. Good. We're going to take the big circle all the way around. So lateral, folding into your right leg, walking it across, and up. Reverse it. Lateral, into the leg, walk it across, and up. Once more. Lateral, into the leg, take it across, and up, reverse it, lateral, into the leg, take it across, good. Take the legs together, soles of the feet on the floor, press forward, get that quad stretch one more time and in a different way. Come to center, press your heels down, tuck your head. Nice big breath. Leave your head where it is and straighten your legs. Let your neck release. Very slowly roll up, one vertebrae at a time. Shoulders are relaxed. Head is the last thing up. Good. Okay. Get your feet back to parallel, just where we started. Take a nice easy plie and center. Neck is relaxed. Plie and center, plie and center. Check your alignment. Make sure your knees are right over your feet, hips are over your knees, ribs are over your hips. Press forward, take chin to the chest, sternum up, big breath in. Exhale, send your energy out. One more time. Press, chin to the chest. Sternum up. Exhale, send your energy out. Plie. Take it up to a balance and hold it. Stay tall. Stay as tall as you can. Stay tall and lower your heels. Stay tall and lower your arms.